So you're interested in developing your business, but you don't have the right people. Would you like to cut costs and pay only for the actual work your subcontractors do? Maybe you just need a specialist who'll create a new website for you, refresh the design, develop a cool logo, or write a great text. Or maybe you're simply looking to carry out a big project in cooperation with many specialists in one spot. If that's the case, we have a solution for you. Welcome to LancerHub.com, a platform that will make it possible for you to meet and collaborate with the best specialists from all over the world without the unnecessary intermediaries or annoying formalities. It's really easy. Just use our service to place a free order. Now you can wait for specific offers or find the appropriate contractors thanks to our advanced search engine. Now you just need to pick the best contractor and, after agreeing on the terms, wait for the results. If they meet your requirements, you only need to accept the project for the freelancer to get the payment you agreed on. And that's it. Enjoy the effect of their work, evaluate or comment on the contractor, and place other orders. That's how LancerHub.com works. Use the services of the experts whenever you need them and save time and money. Sign up to LancerHub.com and get free access to thousands of freelancers from all over the world.